Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Lil Bug. Welcome to my cozy cute world. So I'm sorry if I sound very congested right now. I have been getting over a sicky icky. Definitely feeling better today, but still just I feel like everything's just like stuck in my face. But anywho, we have a very exciting unboxing today. I finally got my hands on the Sonny Angel, the Cat Life series, and this is one that I have been wanting for so long, and I told myself that I would not get into these, but here I am. These are the ones I absolutely love and adore. I need this little calico cat so badly. His name is just Calico, but I am excited to see what I get. So with this, you were only allowed to get 3 of them. So we have 3 of the Cat Life series to unbox together. And then also to get free shipping, I just ordered another random one. This one is the Harvest series of the Hippers. So I don't know, I'm less excited about this, but I have a feeling like once I see them in person, I'm gonna get very excited. But let's go ahead and start off with one of these. And this is my first time unboxing the Sonny Angels. And I'm sorry if I'm saying it incorrectly. That's just how I say it. I don't know if it is supposed to be Sonny, but I say Sonny Angels. Who's it gonna be? I've watched so many unboxing of these on YouTube, and I'm so excited to finally be doing one. It comes with a little pamphlet. Oh my goodness. Sonny Angel, he may bring you happiness? Let me see if I can get it to where you guys can see it. And it just shows all, wow. Oh, you know I'm gonna have so much fun looking through all of this. But it shows all of the different series, and I love how it is rainbow mode. I am so afraid that I even started this. I'm gonna try to control myself by just doing the Cat Life series ones. But then I'm gonna look at all the other cute ones and see what else I want to. Okay. I thought it was the Calico at first and I got so excited. We got this little guy. This one is the Tuxedo. Look at how cute. The Tuxedo Cat. Wow, I have chills right now. I can't believe I'm finally holding one person. Does your head turn? Oh, it does a little bit. Okay, that's cute. What you doing looking over there? Look at the little angel wings on the back too. Okay, we want the Calico, we want the Calico, we want the Calico. You see him? He's so small. Next one. Heavy breathing. Heavy breathing. Okay, he's holding a little chicken. This one is not the Calico, obviously. We got the black cat. This is really cute though. I kind of want to paint on this one. And then, as you guys know, this is my first time. I haven't like gone down the whole entire wormhole of Sonny Angels before. So I don't know if this is a super special one that people want, but he kind of just does nothing for me. He's kind of cute though. We're getting the Calico, right? Right? Or maybe a special one? I don't know. Are we feeling lucky? Right now I'm feeling kind of unlucky. And I wish I could have bought like a million of them instead of 3 of them. I wonder if they're still available. Okay, this one's cute though. It's a little Siamese cat. Oh, I like it with the blue ears. I am very sad I did not pull the Calico Kitty of what I wanted. But that's okay. Is it? I don't know. Actually, maybe it's not okay. I didn't even get like a special one either. What the heckle freckle? But here are all the cuties together. Okay. And then I'm kind of unamused right now. I think the Siamese one is my favorite. Well, now that we open those, we are not super stoked. Let's see what we get for the hipper one. So I think for this one, let me see. I really like the radish. I think that one's cute. So we're hoping for the radish out of this. And the carrot's cute. I think with any of these, I'll be happy. Okay, something good, right? I got the pineapple. Yeah, look at his little butt from the back. Oh wow. Okay, I'm actually liking, I didn't think I was gonna like the hippers, but I actually kind of like this one a lot. And then I know that you can just like, they have this that you can take off and you can stick in places. So I don't know if I'm even gonna do that, but maybe I will put it on my phone. We'll see. This little Nikki butt is so cute in the angel wings. Okay, well, I am underwhelmed, but that's okay. It's just the luck of the draw. You know what I mean? Whatever you get, you get. And I think I'll probably like sit and look at them more and see if I do enjoy and like them more. But at the same time, I might also sell them so I don't have a bunch of stuff and I only keep things that I really love and really enjoy. But there's the kiddos. Alright you guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye. So I have this little house I previously used for my My and I am thinking that I'm going to keep all of my Sonny Angels here because look at how cute they are. They're in like my little spoopy area right now, so I'll probably have to move it somewhere else, but adorable, right? I mean, I could put them like really like anywhere, which I still need to reorganize my entire life, but I'm kind of liking this. I'm kind of liking it. And say hi to all the jelly cats, by the way. Hi to babies. He's so cute. By the way, look at the aftermath. Aftermath. Alright, you guys. I love you. I'll catch you later. Bye.